Well, I'm Colleen Tsukamoto, and I have worked at Spudnik now for 7 years come February. And what brought me here to Spudnik was a change of atmosphere out of the medical line. When I first started, I worked in production control, and then I got the opportunity to move into the purchasing department. And there is definitely never a dull moment. It is a very multitasking position and definitely never bored. If you're one that doesn't want to be bored, Spudnik is a great place for you because there is always something going on. Even in 2018, we've got some buildings going up, so we're expanding, and it's great to see that growth. To make a career here at Spudnik, you're absolutely able to do that and be able to move into different departments. They really like to move people around when they have the opportunity and when the person fits that position. The other thing that's great in the purchasing position that I'm in is I get to communicate with multiple different departments and get to know those people and the employees throughout and the managers, and we all work very well together. The things that I love to do outside of work, and I always have that opportunity, is I love to ride my Harleys with my husband, and whenever I've wanted to take a trip, Spudnik's always been very open to give me those times off. I think one of the best things with Spudnik too is they're very family oriented. So if there's a family issue or a family problem, it doesn't matter if it's an afternoon that you need off or if you need to take 3 or 4 days off, they're very willing to work with you. One nice thing also here at Spudnik is we do support each other. It doesn't matter who your boss is. If there's anything that you need to discuss, the doors are always open. And it's great when you walk down through the floor or up through the engineering department. Everybody is always friendly and wanting to say hello. And when they ask, how's your day? They really want to know, how is your day? We also are closed for a week at Thanksgiving time, and we're closed 2 weeks at Christmas. That makes great family time and travel time, and able to spend it with your kids. If you've got children that are in school, they're home and you're home with them. They're very great about sharing the profits when we've met the financial goals on all the equipment that we're selling, so everyone knows that they've had a part in everything that we do every quarter. We look forward to 2019. I am Colleen Tsukamoto, and I am Spudnik.